Dear students, today we'll start the chapter number 6 of geography. Chapter name is Manufacturing Industries. So, in this chapter, we'll read the importance of manufacturing. Before that, you will be able to understand what do you mean by manufacturing. In Hindi, we call it Vinirman. So, manufacturing sector it is considered as the backbone of development of any industry. So, uh, before that, manufacturing means creating, processing, production of goods in large quantities after processing from raw materials to more valuable products is called manufacturing. In Hindi we call it कच्चे माल से बहुत सारी वस्तुओं का निर्माण करना, उसे हम विनिर्माण कहते हैं. So another important topic is your importance of manufacturing. So manufacturing sector is considered the backbone of development in journal and economic development. देश की कोई तरक्की हो किसी भी तरह की, एक आम भाषा में उसको रीढ़ की हड्डी माना गया है हमारे विनिर्माण इंडस्ट्रीज़ में जो प्रोडक्शन होती है. So in this the first heading is given, it reduces the dependency on agriculture. So how it reduces, how industries reduces the dependency on agriculture, it can be of two types. First one, on agriculture itself the lots of employment opportunities are there. So most of the population is just engaged in agriculture sector, but when the industries came in the second 5 year plan, so after that many people from the agriculture sector shifted to these industries to get employment. And in the second part we can say that industries also produces many things, or it is acting as the helper, as the second important factor after the agriculture sector. So agriculture sector and industrial sector both are dependent on each other, and more industrialization, because of this industrialization itself, our country is making huge profit or huge trade relations with other foreign countries. Then is your education of unemployment and poverty. So importance of manufacturing, because of this manufacturing only, eradication of unemployment, eradication means removing, so unemployment problems are being sorting out, solved, because many population are getting many jobs in these industries. Then is your reduces regional disparities in terms of development. So regional means region means area wise. So area wise disparities mean differences are there, so they are also reduced. These are being reduced when there is progress in the country, when the development is there. So all the sectors, all the areas of a country is developing, is being progressing, because sometime it also happens that many of the industries are established or introduced in those particular areas where or the area which is not very developed or which is very far away. So if an industry is introduced in that particular area, many people get jobs, and many of the people they will have a standard life of living, because their life or their per capita income will improve, and automatically they will have a standard life. So next one is your expands trade and commerce. Because of this industrialization, trade relations with other countries has also been improved. Earlier we were just having the trade relations on agriculture products. Nowadays we, because of this industrialization, we have trade relations with the industrial products also. Then the another important topic is factors contributing in the location of industries. What are the factors those who are very much important for the location of industry? I mean the person who really want to introduce his industry to any of the part of the country, then what factor will be considered or will be taken care of. The first one is your physical factors, and the second one is your human capital. In physical capital, further some classification are there, that is the raw material. So whosoever is introducing his industry in a particular area, he has to focus that the raw material, it should be near to the availability of raw material. And the second one is your water, because most of the industries or all the industries need a lot of water, so they'll also take care, the producers will take care of this thing also, that they should get maximum amount of water, and that also or at a lower cost. Then is your power resources. Power resources here means the electricity, so they take care of those things also, that resources, the power is also there, electricity is also there. And then is your climate. Industries location always have a mm, direct relation climate of a particular area, because if the person is introducing his industry in a very cold state or very cold region, and that time he himself as well as the labor can face any kind of problem, like during a particular period of time when the climate is of extreme type, maybe the industry is which it should be. First, the industrialist has to keep in mind that how labor availability of labor is there or not. Second one, transport facilities. He has to take care of the transport, whether he has to spend a lot of money on that, or the transport will be reduced if a particular in a particular area he is introducing his industry. Then is your capital. Capital here means the money, so he'll also think from where the he can get the money or the loan easily. And then is your market. This is the most important thing. After the production, it is really a very headache for an industrialist to sell his production, so he has to take the industrialist has to take care of the market also, whether it is far away or it is very close to the place where he is introducing his industries. And the last one is your government policies. Sometimes it happens, even though many factors are there, but if the particular government of a state that is also that is promoting or helping the new industrialized or industrial entrepreneurs, in that also the entrepreneur wants to have more and more industries, or he will introduce his industry in that particular area. So the next explanation or the further explanation will be in your online class.